let's go back to breast augmentation for a minute because I want to talk about what it is and how it works.
Sure. So breast augmentation is a purely cosmetic procedure. It's for someone who has smaller breasts and wants to have them enlarged using, most of the time, an implant. So typically there's two ways of doing a breast augmentation, meaning that you can use what's called a saline implant right here, which is filled with water, or
you can pass that down.
or you can use what's called a silicone implant, which is filled with silicone.
Okay.
They're very similar in that both have the same shell. It's just what it's inside that's different.
Okay, and what did the silicone to compare it to the saline, if you can give us a 101 on that.
Sure. Saline, obviously the implants, because it's made out of water, it's a lot cheaper than the silicone implant. In America and the United States, saline can run up to 1,000 cc's, meaning 1,000 milliliter implants. That's the largest size. Silicone, because it's a cohesive gel, costs a little bit more, and the maximum size you can get is 800 cc's.
Okay.
Silicone feels a little bit more natural. If you kind of look at right here, that it feels more natural compared to the saline implant.
Yeah, this feels a little harder.
Exactly. So imagine that if you don't have a lot of breast tissue and this is right underneath you, that silicone gives you a more natural feel to it.
Okay, now correct me if I'm wrong, but they say that this is obviously feel more natural, less chance of rupture?
Yes,
okay.
Actually.
Why is that?
So because of, it's called flow, so you really have to go back to like engineering, things like that. Exactly. I kind of skipped over that,
okay.
but the data is that there's about 1 to 5% chance of rupture for a saline implant, and the silicone implant is about 1% a year. And with the newer implants, we actually don't know what the percentage is. So one of the silicone implants I bought here is called the Mentor implant, which is one of the implant companies. Their data is saying that their shell, meaning the outer layer, is so strong, it's 30% stronger than before, so that the risk of rupture is even lower.